What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on AMP, which has not been performing too well over the last few days, as you guys can see, hitting red candles. However, not just AMP but the crypto market has also been on the red side, with Bitcoin dropping down to $60,000, which is not looking too great. And as you guys can see, it has more or less maintained its value over the last 24 hours, with quite of a pump earlier this morning before it took a little, dipped back down in value, and right now trading at 0.0073 cents. So what is next for AMP? Is it getting ready for a breakout? Is it going to keep dropping in value? So we are going to be covering its prediction over the short term and over the long term, and also looking at both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at what the best option is, and is this a crypto still worth investing into in 2024. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, and as you guys can see, AMP is back into the green zone right now and has been fluctuating within the green zone over the last month or so. However, it has hit the bottom resistance level and the highest resistance level as well, so it has been quite volatile, but overall it has more or less maintained its value. So let's get rid of the Fibonacci scale and bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and we can see the value of AMP is below the SMA indicator here in purple, meaning it is still not performing too well and lower than expected. So for now, let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning drops in value are expected from AMP over the next 12 to 14 hours. Again, it's not going to be a major drop or a crash or anything like that. It is likely to be minimal, so AMP should essentially be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment by the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. However, it is also likely to hit green candles in between. Reason for the drop is the crypto has been quite volatile, as you guys can see, with a major pump earlier this morning, and it's dropped straight back down right now. And yes, it has been hitting red candles over the last 2 to 3 hours. It is likely to recover a little bit, hitting green candles and then hitting red candles again later on this evening and in the early hours of tomorrow, making it drop back down in value. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we're looking a little bit skeptical here. The orange line is clearly looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and the blue line is looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction. So essentially what we have here is two lines going the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from AMP over the next 7 to 8 days. So by mid to end of next week, the crypto should essentially be hovering around its current price range, which I agree with up to an extent. However, in between that time, it is likely to be volatile, hitting green and red candles, ups and downs, but yes, which will result in an overall fluctuation in value by mid to end of next week, trading around its current price range. So yes, volatile, but overall it has more than likely going to maintain its value. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, again we got the blue line looking quite bearish and the orange line looking quite bullish, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is again what is expected from AMP over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so late June, early July. However, I'm expecting an overall increase in value, and the crypto should have passed the 1 cent target by early to mid July is what my expectations are at the moment. Reason being is I'm also expecting the crypto market to be moving towards the bullish direction over the next couple of weeks, especially over the next 2 months. But again, Crypto is a volatile market, so any little news or updates that come across that can potentially have an impact on the value of AMP, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But so far it is looking quite good for AMP. It potentially even has the chance to head closer to the 2 cents target towards the second half of the year, is what my predictions are. But then again, AMP is a crypto that I keep you guys updated on a regular basis, just to keep you guys in the loop on what to expect and what to predict. So there will be more updates even if there's any changes or not, I will keep you guys updated on this crypto. So bringing back the Fibonacci scale, we are currently trading in the green zone, and essentially over the next week or so it is likely to just fluctuate within the green zone. So it's like to drop down, pump up, but it will more than likely going to stay in the green zone, is what my expectations are at the moment. Over the next 2 to 3 weeks, it is likely to hit the bottom resistance level, take a little bit of a step back down in value before it bounces back up, heading to the higher level of the green zone and potentially head into the dark green zone in potentially by late June, early July, is what my expectations are, and potentially heading higher than that over the next couple of months is what I'm expecting. But then again, as I mentioned, I will keep you guys updated on a regular basis. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, the trading volume has gone up over 115% in the last 24 hours, making it over $31 million in trading. Reason for the increase in trading is the major pump that we saw earlier this morning, as you guys can see, and then literally took a step back down a few hours later. However, it is still fluctuating around its current price range, and we are seeing a lot more people trading the crypto from both buyers and sellers point of view. So this is my take and my prediction on AMP, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below how high and how low you guys are expecting this crypto to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And let me know, are you guys expecting AMP to break out in 2024 as well? Essentially I am, especially over the coming months. I'm expecting it to hit huge numbers, but let's not get too excited. We're gonna have to take it at a slow and steady pace with regular updates on the crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button, like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.